The next stage in meiosis is Anaphase 1. The spindle fibers contract and pull the homologous pairs, each with two chromatids, away from each other and towards each pole of the cell. Meta proposed the law of segregation. The law of segregation states that each individual that is a diploid has a pair of alleles, or copy for a particular trait. Each parent passes an allele at random to their offspring, resulting in a diploid organism. The allele that contains the dominant trait determines the phenotype of the offspring. In essence, the law states that copies of genes separate or segregate so that each gamete receives only one allele. This leads to genetic variation between offspring as they carry different alleles from one another. In the anaphase of mitosis, the equal separation or disjunction of sister chromatids occurs. In anaphase 1 of meiosis, the separation of homologous chromosomes occur. Meanwhile, the sister chromatids remain attached to each other. In short, instead of separating a chromosome, they are just separating the tetrads. Sometimes our choreography is not 100%. You can't expect us to be perfect all of the time. Non-disjunction in meiosis is the failure of one or more pairs of homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids to separate normally during nuclear division, usually resulting in abnormal distribution of chromosomes in the daughter nuclei. The result of this in anaphase 1 is abnormal distribution in the diploid cells in cytokinesis 1 and abnormal, usually harmful distribution in the final haploid cells of the entire meiosis process. By the end of this stage, we are left with a diploid with 6 chromosomes.